In this video, we'll walk you through how to change the system preset on the SonoiQ software. First, make sure your probe is connected to your display device. Click the upper left icon, then select Preset. Here on the left-hand side, select System Preset. There's Image Preset, and there's also Exam Preset. Under the B and THI, you can change the depth to 5.4 for example. You can also change the THI gain. Note that the harmonic frequency is the default. Click Apply to save settings. Make sure your exam type is set to small parts, and then exit. Now you can see that the gain and the depth have been successfully changed.